When the OnePlus Nord 5 was unboxed, we weren't sure what to expect, especially with all the hype and bold promises. But after using it daily for over 2 weeks, things became a lot clearer. Is this the true budget flagship killer, or just another mid-range phone trying to look premium? Let's talk about the design and build first. With a massive 6.8 3-inch display, the phone is definitely on the larger side, which can be a bit tricky to handle for those with smaller hands. It's also quite heavy, and that's because it packs in a big battery. The materials used are a solid combination, glass on the front and back with a plastic frame that feels surprisingly sturdy. And yes, it's protected by Gorilla Glass 7, which is a nice bonus for durability. The 6.8 3-inch AMOLED screen delivers vibrant colors and deep blacks, making everything from YouTube to Netflix look fantastic. The bezels are uniform and quite thin for this price segment, and the stereo speakers are loud and clear. Now, let's get into performance. It runs on the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3, not the newer Gen 4 some were expecting. But honestly, for 99% of users, it handles everything just fine. If you're a hardcore gamer or a power user who juggles heavy multitasking, you might feel a bit limited. It comes with 256GB of storage based on UFS 3.1. Speaking of gaming, it performs well. Call of Duty and BGMI can run up to 144 frames per second thanks to an adaptive boost from 120 frames per second, and Genshin Impact hits 90 frames per second even though it's natively 60. After over 90 minutes of gaming, the phone does get warm, but thanks to its large vapor chamber, 7,330 square millimeter, on the software side, Oxygen OS shines. It's smooth, clean, and has minimal bloatware, just 2 or 3 pre-installed Fitbit apps. Multitasking is seamless, and you get some smart features too, like an AI-powered real-time translator for calls and a summary tool that generates call notes automatically. There's even Aqua Touch or rain mode, which allows the screen to function normally when wet. The phone promises 4 years of OS updates and 6 years of security patches. As for battery life, it houses 6,800 mAh battery, and with the 80-watt fast charger, it goes from 0 to 100% in just an hour. The camera setup has its highs and lows. While it lacks a telephoto lens, the portraits are surprisingly good with sharp edge detection and natural-looking background blur, and night selfies, especially group shots, are well executed. You can record 4 Kelvin videos at 60 frames per second from both front and rear cameras, and there's a stability mode for smoother footage. The ultrawide camera comes with autofocus, so you can get close-up macro shots too, though it doesn't quite match the quality of the main lens. It delivers a great multimedia experience with its big display and strong speakers, solid day-to-day performance, reliable battery, and a very clean Oxygen OS. The lifetime warranty is a big plus too, especially with green line issues becoming a concern for some users. So, if you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon. Surprisingly, 60 to 70% of viewers still haven't. Also, stay tuned for our next video. Got any feedback or questions? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.